The Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, formally unveiled its all-indigenous 155mm 52 caliber mounted gun system, marking a milestone development in mobile artillery. Based on the Advanced Towed Artillery Gun System (ATAGS) platform and mounted on an 8x8 high-mobility vehicle, the mounted gun system features shoot-and-scoot capability, transitioning from drive to fire in 80 seconds and relocating within 85 seconds. With a maximum range of approximately 45 kilometers, 6 rounds per minute burst rate, and the capacity to carry 24 ready rounds with bimodular charge system integration, it signals a significant leap in battlefield agility. Developed in just 2.5 years by Vehicles Research and Development Establishment (VRDE) and transferred to Bharat Forge under DRDO's development-cum-production partner model, the nearly 30-ton system is adapted for desert, mountain and high-altitude environments, with operations validated in Balasore and Pokhran trials. With technology rooted in over 80% domestic components, each unit costs approximately 15 crore rupees, roughly half the price of equivalent imports. This launch complements existing artillery modernization under the Field Artillery Rationalization Plan, which includes 307 ATAGS towed guns, orders worth 6,900 crore rupees for delivery by 2027, over 200 truck-mounted systems, alongside Dhanush and Bharat 5-2 guns. India's growing rocket artillery capabilities, including upgraded Pinaka variants reaching up to 300 kilometers, further reinforce its long-range firepower. Rooted in lessons from Ukraine and Operation Sindoor, India's strategic vision embraces networked warfare, indigenous manufacturing, and smart munitions like ramjet and guided shells. The mounted gun system debut strengthens India's self-reliant defense ecosystem, advances its position as a leading global military power, and aligns seamlessly with the Make in India directive and vision for defense exports.